I made $10,000 online in 30 days using AI. Today, I will show you exactly how I did it, step by step. Stick around because method 3 made me $4,500 in 1 week, and I will reveal it in detail. Before we start, look at this. Here is my earnings dashboard. Every number here is real. This is not fake. This is exactly what I earned in 30 days using AI. You can do the same, even if you have no coding or design skills. A few months ago, I was stuck in a 9-to-5 job. I was barely making enough to cover my bills. I knew there had to be a better way. I started learning about online income. I tried freelance jobs, online surveys, and small tasks. They helped a little, but they were not scalable. Then I discovered AI tools. At first, I was skeptical. Could AI really help me make money online? I decided to test it. I experimented with content creation, art, dropshipping, and AI apps. I made mistakes. I lost time and small amounts of money. But I kept going. Within 30 days, I earned my first $10,000 online. Today, I will share the exact methods that worked. I will give you examples, show real tools, and explain how to scale each method. Method 1: AI content creation. I used tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and WriteSonic. They helped me create blog posts, ebooks, and video scripts. Instead of spending days writing, AI produced content in minutes. First, pick a niche. I chose AI tools, productivity, and online money-making guides. Second, use AI to create content. For example, I wrote a 50-page ebook in a weekend. Third, publish it. I used Amazon KDP and Medium. In 3 days, I earned $700. You can expand this. Turn one ebook into a series. Create video scripts and convert them into YouTube videos. Use AI to repurpose content for social media. This method alone can earn you $2,000 to $4,000 in a month if done consistently. Method 2: AI art and NFT commissions. People pay for digital art and unique NFTs. I used Midjourney and DALL-E to create custom art pieces. Each piece took minutes instead of hours. I sold 5 pieces for $200 each in a month. Focus on trending styles. In 2026, cyberpunk, anime, and futuristic concepts sell well. Offer commissions on social media. Join communities where people look for custom art. You can even combine AI art with print-on-demand merchandise. Method 3: AI-powered dropshipping. This is my personal favorite. AI tools can predict trending products before they go viral. I set up a Shopify store and tested products using AI insights. In 1 week, I earned $4,500 from just 3 products. Here is how to do it. Step 1: use AI to find trending products. Step 2: find suppliers with reliable shipping. Step 3: automate ads with AI marketing tools. Step 4: track performance and scale what works. I focused on 3 products and doubled my investment within 7 days. Method 4: micro SaaS using no-code AI. You do not need coding skills. Tools like Bubble.io or Pori.io let you build apps or services. I created a small AI chatbot for local businesses. It automated customer support. In 1 month, I earned $1,200. Solve specific problems. Even tiny niches can be profitable. Offer subscriptions or one-time payments. Use AI to automate maintenance. This method takes more setup time but can become a stable source of income. Method 5: AI stock and crypto analysis. AI can analyze trends faster than humans. I used it to generate trading ideas. Do not invest blindly. AI is a tool to inform decisions, not a guarantee. A small portfolio using AI insights can provide significant returns if managed carefully. Here are additional tips to scale fast. Focus on 1 or 2 methods at a time. Track daily earnings. Reinvest profits into ads or new AI tools. Avoid scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Combine methods. I used AI content to drive traffic to my Shopify store. AI art attracted clients who later bought my ebook. These synergies multiplied my earnings. Keep learning. AI changes quickly. Stay updated with new tools and features. Adapt your strategies. Experiment without fear. Document what works and scale it. For a viral twist, I suggest creating interactive content. Use polls to let your audience choose which AI method you test next. Show behind the scenes of your work. Share your mistakes and successes. People love real results and authenticity. Now it is your turn. Pick one method from this video. Try it this week. Take notes. Share your results in the comments. I will feature the best success stories in my next video. Subscribe and turn on notifications because next week, I will show how to turn $10,000 into $50,000 using AI, step by step. If you follow these methods, you can achieve results faster than I did. Remember, consistency is key. Small steps every day compound into big results. Use AI tools wisely. Focus on real value. Solve problems. Help people. Money will follow. Thank you for watching. Start today. Take action. The future is AI, and the opportunity is in front of you.